Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word pore. Pores. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Her skin was smooth and clear, with barely visible pores. Pores are small openings on the skin's surface through which sweat, oil, and other substances are released. They can become enlarged or blocked, leading to skin issues. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.